अलिपीत फेरफार करून बेकायदेशीरपणान केल्ल्या 16,94,150 चौखण मीटर जागेंतलो 9 लाख चौखण मीटर जागो सरकारान परत पूर्ववत स्थितीन हाडला अशी माहिती TCP मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी दिल्या। पणजे TCP समिती वांगडा बसका घेतले उपरांत घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत विश्वजितान कळंगूट, नागवा, हडफड्यां तशेंच हेर वाठारांनी जाल्ली जमनीची बेकायदेशीर रुपांतरांचो पाडोस वाचून दाखयलो। TCP खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांचेर चेपण हाडून हो जमनीचो रुपांतरीत केल्यात असोय दावो तांणी केला। जाल्यार बेकायदेशीरपणान रुपांतर केल्ल्या जमनीची चौकशी करून गुन्यांवकारांचेर कारवाय करपाची शिडकावणी मंत्री विश्वजित राणे हांणी दिल्या।
The total area that through elevation in terms of if it was in the regional, it was in the regional plan, if it was in the regional plan settlement, that it is regional plan. If it was settlement, then the ODP it was taken to either C2 or C3 or whatever the zoning that converted and changed. So in that elevation that took place, means that extra FSI conversion, that itself was 6,57,255 square meters. So out of 16 lakh square meters, total amount of area that is being taken off is around close to 9 lakhs and odd square meters. And this as per what we have discussed and the committee's report that was there, that all these areas of no development zones and other things have to be reverted back. Now I want to just make a mention